I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're going to do a butter chicken. We're going to focus on our cauliflower, which is an amazing item. And we're going to start and put that on a bed of rice.
Yeah, so I'm going to just put together, and I use this for everything. Like if I need some rice, just a little bowl full, I do it this way. And this, I've actually mixed the rice, the white instant and the brown instant. So a little bit of chicken bouillon, vegetable bouillon, just for a little taste.
It's going to suck up that flavor when we add the hot water, and so it sucks up that flavor into the rice.
And then I'm going to add a little bit of water, just enough for all my rice to float. And then I'm just going to put a lid on it so it refreshes with the steam.
Okay, actually I'm just going to rearrange here, sorry. I'm going to get you to whisk for me.
You bet.
And we're going to start with the sauce. So I will add some of our Beschamel sauce, which is the white sauce. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of curry powder, if you want to whisk that in. And I will also add a little bit of our sour cream. Now we're just going to add some of the vegetables, and since we are highlighting, I'm just gonna some cauliflower, some onions, chicken. We're going to refresh some chicken along with it, and some red peppers. Some kale, just for a bit of color and to add some little extra. So I will refresh this. I'm going to do it with hot water. It refreshes faster with hot water. And it doesn't take too long. Already you can see how bright the colors are. So now we're just going to add our refreshed vegetables to the sauce. And we'll mix that all together. And I'll add a little bit of our chef's choice to that. And a couple of the tomatoes too in there. We'll just add a couple tomatoes as well. We just have a few fresh. And then we will plate it. So if you wanted to. Nice. Our curry. So this is our finished creamy curry cauliflower chicken
On rice.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. And remember, you can do this too.